Hi, this is Parish President Cynthia Lee Shang. I'm here in Gretna at the Regular Baptist Church. We are with Ochsner doing a community testing site. We have had over 26,000 tests done on our residents, which is a very high per capita. Now we're moving and working with our medical partners on community testing. You just have to be a Louisiana resident. They're going to ask you for your insurance card, but if you don't have that, don't worry, nobody's going to be turned away.
I'm Dr. Evance DeWard. I'm the Medical Director for Global Health and Public Health at Ochsner Health System. One of the things that we've actually emphasized for testing is to make testing available to as many people as possible. And one of the challenges that we realized earlier is people wanted to have walk-up testing because not everybody has access to a vehicle. One of the reasons why we're focusing primarily on the testing is there's specific guidelines that have been laid out in order for the state to reopen. And so testing is one critical part of it. We'll actually text them with their phone with their result. And so if they have symptoms, we will actually give them information. We'll follow up with them to determine how they're doing. That's if they've been positive. And then if they develop symptoms, we will actually refer them to our 24-hour nurse on call, which would actually guide them. That's the next step, whether or not they would be needing to come to the hospital to be seen by a provider. People need to walk away with the assumption that this idea of universal precautions, because that essentially means that you should make the assumption that everybody that you come into contact with is positive for the virus. Obviously, the social distancing measures, staying 6 feet apart, washing your hands for 20 seconds. Again, the idea of avoiding coughing and sneezing. If you're going to sneeze or cough, do it within your elbow. And absolutely wearing your face mask.
Testing is very critical. As we've had this virus in our community and as we come out and start returning into phase 1, and as we resume operations, testing is a critical component. So we want to thank Ochsner again for partnering with us.